Registering for My Canada Life at Work takes just a few minutes. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com and click Register. Then, select Savings to manage your savings plans. Enter your plan or policy and certificate numbers you received from your plan administrator. Then, choose Next. Now, enter your first and last name as they appear in your statement. Next, you'll add your personal email address and a password you'll always use to sign in. We'll email you to make sure we got it right. After you confirm, you can sign in and complete your account setup. So we can verify your identity, enter a few more of your personal details. Then, click Next. Here, you can let us know if we can use your social insurance number for our records. You can connect with us about making the most of your group plan and reaching your financial and well-being goals. Finally, to keep your account extra safe, you can use two-step verification. If you do, we'll send you a 5-digit code every time you sign in or change your password. That's it! Now you're ready to use My Canada Life at Work for your savings plans. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com to get started.